In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw hidden lines in AutoCAD. Understanding how to use hidden lines is a key skill, especially if you're working with detailed technical drawings or architectural plans. Hidden lines are those thin, dashed lines that represent edges or contours of an object that aren't visible from a particular perspective. They help give your drawings depth and make complex designs easier to understand. The first thing we need to do is get the hidden line type added into your AutoCAD project. To do this, let's start by typing LT into the command line. This is a shortcut that opens up the Linetype Manager, a vital tool for managing the different types of lines within your project. Once the Linetype Manager window pops up, you'll see an array of line types that you can work with. We're interested in the hidden line type, so click on the Load button. At this point, a new window will appear showing a list of available line types. To quickly find the hidden line, press H on your keyboard. This will jump the list straight to the line types beginning with H, allowing you to efficiently spot the one labeled hidden. Now, select it and then click OK to proceed. Heading back to the Linetype Manager, you'll notice the hidden line is now part of your line type options. Simply click OK once more to confirm and close the manager. At this point, we've successfully added the hidden line type to our project, so the next thing we need to do is set it up in the Properties section. Head on over to the Home tab in the top menu. Here, you'll find a Properties section where you can designate the line type for the objects you draw. In this drop-down, select the hidden line type. This is an important step because it directly affects how new lines and shapes will appear in your drawing. With this setup, every object you create moving forward, be it lines, rectangles, or even circles, will automatically use the hidden line type. And there you have it. You've now learned how to incorporate hidden lines into your AutoCAD projects effectively. With these steps, you're enhancing the clarity and professionalism of your technical drawings. Feel free to practice by creating different shapes to see how they look with hidden lines. This will not only reinforce what you've learned, but also give you a clearer understanding of how hidden lines can contribute to your design work. Thank you for following along today. I hope this guide makes your work in AutoCAD a bit more streamlined and effective. Happy designing!